Hi, it's another fantastic day in Coto de Caza. I'm at our North Park. And today we're going to look at this fantastic little shrub. It comes to us from South Africa. It is a Polygala myrtifolia, also known as a myrtle-leaf milkwort, a September brush, and a sweet pea shrub. Because the little flowers here, they kind of look like sweet peas. So this is a fast-growing, perennial evergreen shrub. It's usually found on dunes, rocky places, along forest margins, beside streams, and in open grasslands. So they can be standalone or in clusters, and here we have 3 standalone. They're absolutely beautiful. These are about 2.5 or 3 feet high and maybe even 4 feet wide. Right, so anyway, the leaves, take a look at the leaves here. Okay, they're a little oval shaped, you can see. They're nice light green shade. Okay, there we go. And they alternate their way up the stem, so I have one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, as they get to the top. Now in some forms, they can also be very needle shaped. They can be as long as 2 inches, but these here are maybe just about 1 inch. So the flowers over here, they're sort of butterfly shaped. They appear in clusters from late spring through late summer, but they could bloom all year in warm climates like in Coto de Caza. And their shape looks like a little sweet pea. And these are a little bit purple or pink, but they also come in mauve, crimson, and white. And they got that little brush right here at the end. See that little guy? Little brush. So that's kind of cool looking. Wow, these are such pretty little flowers. So this shrub likes plenty of sunshine, and to grow it yourself, just provide it plenty of water in the summer. Just don't flood it, and then moderate water the rest of the year. And to promote flower production, you provide it with mineral fertilizer about every 20 days during the summer. Then you prune them back in late winter to keep them all nice and compact and under control. So to prune it back, look for any damaged, overgrown, or dead stems. And we don't have any here, so I can't really show you. But using your handheld pruner or clipper, you find a node, like here, just any node, or branching area, like here, and you snip it back about 1/4 inch below the node, make it a 45-degree angle, and make it a nice, quick, clean cut. All right? And then if you head this back, never cut more than about 1/3 of the plant when you hedge it back. Now you may also shear the plant with hedge pruning shears. You just focus on the top and the sides, and you cut it like a little box or cut it to keep its original shape. Then remove any wilted, discolored, or dead flowers, and then you snip off the terminal buds, if it has any here. So it gets its name, Polygala myrtifolia, from the genus Polygala, which means much milk. Now, since it was believed that this stimulates milk production in cows, Polygala, and then the genus Myrtifolia, which translate to myrtle-like leaves, like a crepe myrtle. However, this has no relationship to the crepe myrtle plant or tree. So for medicinal purposes, there's some evidence that this plant can help treat Candida albicans, and that is a gastrointestinal fungus from yeast that can cause death and even brain disease. All right, this is a fantastic little shrub, easy to grow and take care of. Gives us these beautiful clusters of butterfly-like flowers, and I highly recommend it for your garden. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and please have a great day. Thanks. Bye.